In today's video, I will walk you through how to open a demo account on TradingView. To get started, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of the screen and click on Products. From the menu that appears, select Supercharts. This will open the TradingView charting interface. After the charts load, you may immediately see an option that allows you to connect to brokers. If you can already see the trading section on your screen, you're in the right place. However, if your layout looks different and you don't see the trading options right away, don't worry. There is another way to access the demo account feature. Scroll down toward the bottom section of the chart interface and locate the Trading Panel tab. Click on Trading Panel to open the available trading connections and account options. Once the panel opens, look through the list of available choices and find the option called Paper Trading. Paper Trading is TradingView's built-in demo account feature. It allows you to practice trading using virtual funds rather than real money. To continue, simply click on Paper Trading. Once selected, the Paper Trading account will be activated and connected to your chart. At this point, your demo account is open and ready to use. You'll be able to access the paper trading environment directly from the TradingView platform. If you'd like to adjust the amount of virtual funds available in the account, you can do that through the account settings. Look for the small settings button associated with the paper trading account and click on it. This will open additional account options. Inside the settings menu, select Reset Account. This section allows you to customize the demo account balance. You can enter the virtual balance you want to trade with and choose the currency that should be used for the account. You'll also have the option to adjust the leverage settings before confirming the reset. Once you've entered your preferred balance, selected your currency, and configured any available leverage settings, apply the changes to update the account. After the reset is complete, your paper trading account will reflect the new settings you selected. You can then begin using the demo account with your updated virtual balance directly within the TradingView charts. And that's all there is to it. By accessing Supercharts, opening the trading panel, selecting paper trading, and adjusting the account settings if needed, you can quickly set up and start using a TradingView demo account. Thank you for watching.